There's often a fine line between bias and truth, between the thing we want to be true and the thing that is true. For example, one may want their favorite people to be honest, good, right, funny, or strong, and they want the people they don't like to be dishonest, bad, wrong, lame, or weak. This want them to be equals a desired truth. The real truth, however, does not depend on personal wishes. It can only be observed through objectivity and neutrality. But if our judgment of people, things, and ideas is highly influenced and shaped by a subjective or emotionally driven version of reality, then it becomes difficult to see the real truth. It's unfortunate, but this desired truth is found everywhere. In the news, on social media, in politics, on TV, at school, at home, and even in science. Yes, even in science, where objectivity and neutrality should be the standard, biases can still emerge. Scientists may, whether unintentionally or under pressure, or due to personal, cultural, political, or institutional influences, focus on evidence that supports their hypothesis while ignoring or downplaying contradictory data. This was evident during the replication crisis in psychology, where many studies failed to reproduce the same results when repeated. It shows how even science can fall victim to bias, highlighting the need for peer review, improved replication practices, and transparency to uphold scientific integrity. It's not easy to be completely honest about people, things, and ideas when they mean a lot to us. It's not easy to see the faults in our preferred political leader, media outlet, TV host, actor, artist, religion, favorite sports team, or even our closest friends and family. And it's even more challenging to see the positive in people, things, and ideas we usually oppose. We see this in politics all the time, where supporters of a political figure may turn a blind eye to their flaws while exaggerating the faults of their opponents. This creates a skewed perception, making it harder to identify the real truth. And it's difficult to see the real truth through our desired truths. That's why it's important that we at least learn to recognize that we hold on to desired truths and that we are honest about our biases. Having said that, how important is the real truth to us anyway? When we look closely at the world, we can see many people choose to cling to a truth that is more convenient and comfortable than the real one, which can be inconvenient and uncomfortable. But in what world do we want to live? A world where honesty prevails and people seek wisdom and genuine understanding? Or a world where comforting lies, misinformation, and disinformation shield us from reality? Ultimately, the real truth may be uncomfortable, but it's the foundation for progress, wisdom, and understanding. If we can face it, even when it's difficult, we stand to create a more honest and informed world.